Pakistan. August 2008 marked the beginning of a long journey for hundreds of thousands of people. Due to political unrest, people were forced to flee their towns, homes, and abandon their livelihoods. From the northwest frontier province and the federally administrated tribal areas of Pakistan. The peak of this displacement took place from April to June 2009. As a result, about 2.7 million people became homeless. Fleeing communities dispersed into neighboring villages and districts. There was a widespread effort from the government, from United Nations, and private citizens to provide some relief to these internally displaced people. Camps were built to serve as temporary accommodation. Registration by government provided initial information on the concentration of IDPs. 90% of these IDPs resided outside the camp and sought shelter with relatives and host families. These hosts were people who took in families during their time of need.
जिस वक़्त ये स्वात की हालात ख़राब हुई तो मुझे पता चला कि मेरे ही रिश्तेदार कुछ दिन कैंपों में थे तो मैंने जाके उनको वहाँ से लेके आया। उस वक़्त मेरे पास यही एक ही कमरा था जिसमें तकरीबन ये 20 ख़ानदान के करीबी लोग थे।
This presented another crisis, as most host families had limited resources.
शुरू में तो आए तो बहुत ज़्यादा थे, तो हमारे लिए मुश्किलात थी। 2 कमरे थे, इसमें हमारे साथ रहना मुश्किल था। तो हम शुरू में हमने सारी चीज़ें इनके साथ शेयर किए, अपना खाना पीना, कपड़े वगैरह जो थे।
तो हमने जो वक़्त के साथ जो नाड़ा था उनके साथ बांट कर हमने खाया और रह रहे हैं हमारे साथ, इस तरह ये ज़िंदगी इनकी कट रहे हैं।
To minimize their vulnerability, a comprehensive program was devised by the UN Habitat from April 2009. Its main focus was to improve the living conditions of the IDPs and their host families. With financial assistance of SURF, DFID, and USAID, and in-kind support from UNHCR, community-based efforts were mobilized to address the humanitarian assistance. Immediate assistance included tents, house repair kits, water pumps, latrines, buckets, and hygiene kits. Repair began of community facilities such as street pavements, community halls, drainage systems, mosques, and culverts. This effort to harmonize and rebuild host families and communities was a challenge in many ways. Host families and IDPs were harder to identify in the relief effort because they were hidden in rural areas or peri-urban areas.
UN के जो अमला है मैं इनका शुक्रगुजार हूँ, और ये बाइखलाक लोग हैं जो खुद चल कर आए हैं और घर घर में इन्हें पता करते करते मेरे तक पहुँचे। तो फिर मैं इनसे मिला, मैंने लाया इनको IDP से मिलाया और इनकी जब इन हालात देखी तो फ़ौरन इस पर इन लोगों ने एक्शन लिया और इनको फ़ौरन जो है ना ये शटर तक बनाए, लेटरिन इनको बना के दिए।
UN Habitat launched a village-by-village assessment to find the hidden IDPs and their hosts. Specific surveys to identify needs was necessary as every family had a different set of requirements.
دا دلته چې دا کم متاثرین هغوی دا ټول زموږ رشتهدار دي، زموږ خپل دي چې دلته راغله، زموږ ځای ته زموږ کور ته راغله. نو دوی ته ډېر زیات تکلیف و، موږ ځان سره په کور کې دي دیره کړله ده، بیا موږ ته تکلیف و. بیا دا یونیټ والا چې دا کسان راغله دوی موږ ته ویله چې تاسو که دې ته ځای ورکوئ نو موږ به ورله دا ادارې جوړې کړو. بیا موږ دوی ته دا ځای ورکړو، هغوی ورته دا ادارې جوړې کړلې دي او دا پردې مردې دا سامان وامان دا یې ورته سیټ کړلو او کار مار ورته برابر کړو.
हम लोग को आदमी लोग को पर्दा भी बहुत खुश होते, हम लोग भी औरत लोग भी खुश होते। केमों में ऐसे बेबाकी से बैठे सुकून नहीं मिलता, बेबाकी अभी हम लोग को सुकून मिल गया, ये कमरे ममरे बन गए ना तो हम लोग को थोड़ा सुकून मिल गया।
UN Habitat Aid project to support communities with community participation is still ongoing. To date, 11,838 IDP and host families in 600 villages of 3 NWFP districts have been assisted with 10,000 tents, 2,550 house repair kits, and 5,530 hygiene kits and water buckets. 955 latrines and 246 hand pumps were installed. 80 schools were repaired and renovated. 322 community projects have been completed. From August onward, UN Habitat started shelter construction for those who cannot return immediately, and 590 shelters were built. 500 are still under construction.
यून हैबिटेट का इंतहाई मुनज़्ज़म तरीके से काम है। इनका इंतहाई ट्रांसपेरेंट तरीके से सर्वे होता है, कम्युनिटी में चले जाते हैं, उनके रिक्वायरमेंट को देखते हैं और जो बिल्कुल सही रिक्वायरमेंट हो उनको उठा के फिर उस पर एक काम करते हैं। फिर हमारे स्कूलों में जो हमारे IDPs थे, कुछ स्कूल ख़राब हो गए थे, उनको रिहेबिलिटेट करने के लिए उन्होंने काम किया।
The financial stress placed on the host family has resulted in a general scarcity of resources, as not all were equipped to handle the added financial burden. Despite the return of 1.6 million to their area of origin and months of hard work, many families still need assistance. More efforts are needed to stabilize these communities in support of the largest human displacement in the history of Pakistan.
तो यहाँ पर अब भी लाखों लोग यहाँ पर मौजूद हैं और हम इन तंजीमों से, यून हैबिटेट से और दूसरे इनसे ख्वाहिश करते हैं कि यहाँ पर रहे और इन लोगों के लिए काम करें।
चाहे मुसलमान हो या गैर मुस्लिम हो, इनकी तकलीफ़ को देख के इनसे वो इनकी मदद करे और बुरे वक्त में इनके काम आए।
Let us join hands and pledge to ease the suffering of these unfortunate people. These people are homeless within their own country. They need our strength to rebuild their lives. It will take time, but it can be done, from one humanitarian to another.